Yo, this is a must-try side dish for your Korean barbecue. Ooh. And today I'm not showing you just one, but I'm showing you two side dishes. So this is literally my favorite side dish when it comes to Korean barbecue. Super simple, quick recipe, 5 minutes, and that's it. All right, so let's get right into it. So first we're gonna make the sauce. All right, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. And here's my secret. Whoa. 1 tablespoon of Sprite. Don't tell nobody. A tablespoon of Sprite.
That look more than 1 tablespoon.
Shut up. That was a oopsie. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. You know what's even better with sesame seed?
What?
So you see this right here? When you crush the sesame seed, the whole flavor profile changes. Now get your pepa, your big ass green onion. You're gonna chop that up, boom. And then here, boom. All right, so you see this big piece right here? Cut that open like that. Just like that. So you see this right here? Boom. It's like sheets. From here, I'm gonna give it a fold and another fold, just like that. And here, try to cut it super thin. If I'm being honest with you, at a restaurant, we just have a Pa-Jeolli machine that goes zzz. We just run it through the machine and it just shreds everything. All right, and this green part here, could do the same thing. Give that a nice little fold. Boom. See that? Actually, you know what I want to show? I actually saw this in the internet, but I don't fully trust it. Let's give it a try. Okay. It's gonna destroy your scallion. Yeah, so don't trust the internet, okay? That's why you guys need to follow my recipe. Because in the internet, there's people who do stuff like this. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, this is a super simple recipe, but it's actually not that easy cutting the scallion if you're not used to the knife skills, you know? Again, here, boom. Cut that open, bop, give it a nice little fold, boom, and then just take your time with it. Just slowly slice it, you know? But more importantly, they have the chopped up scallions at a Korean market, so you could just buy the chopped up scallion. That's gonna save you a lot more time. So I'm trying to make this super easy tutorial for anyone to do. So let's see if a, common, regular human being could do this. Oh yeah, I mean, you're supposed to be able to do it. If you do it, it's a success. So that means everybody could do it.
놀란다. 내 칼 솜씨 보고.
Go.
This is like this, right?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. It's good.
Ha! Seriously, was it alright? Why are you throwing it out?
No, it's good. It could be a little thinner. Like, if you look at it, joke 'em, it could, Okay. What do you think? I mean, if you mix it up, it'd be fine, but what do you think?
It looks like a professional cut.
Should I add this in there?
Can you please?
All right. That works too, I mean, I'm sure your loved ones wouldn't care. But if this was in the restaurant, yeah, I know. Some people actually like to soak this in water and with a paper towel, dry it out so it doesn't have all the spice in it. All right, so scallion going in. It's nice, right? You could just make it with scallion, but I personally like it with bean sprouts and onion. And to be honest, I couldn't get bean sprouts today. Anyway, so onions, super thin as well too. Onions, you could actually rinse it and dry because there's a lot of spice to it. All right, so we're just going right in. So the scallion comes out to about 150 grams. Yeah, for this, you add the sauce when you're ready to serve it. At restaurants, we have it two separate like this. So whenever it's ready to go to a customer, we would plate it on top and then we would throw the sauce on top right before serving. So people could eat it fresh, Actually, while I'm at it, I'm gonna show you another side dish that I really love. And this literally takes 2 minutes.
No way. 2 minutes?
You wanna bet? Bet me on this? Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
All right, gonna slide that out. I could even make it faster if I didn't have to take the seed out.
Yeah.
I mean, you could technically cut it like this. But right now I'm rolling it out. What I'm doing is I'm taking the seed out, right? Because my wife doesn't like anything too spicy. What's the time right now?
50 seconds.
Oh, 50 seconds.
Wait.
Boom. And here we have some samjang. This is a pre-made sauce. All right, so here I'll just roughly throw that in like that. And we're gonna finish with some sesame oil. And that's it. Boom. Everything looks better with sesame seed. Yo, make sure to put a glove on or wash your hands after you touch jalapeno pepper, because I'm always careful after touching jalapeno pepper now. Like when I'm, you know, blowing my kid's nose, wiping boogies out their eyes, because they're like, ah! I'm like, why? Now it's ready to go. Look at that. All right, moment of truth. Let's go. I think we did a good job slicing this. 맛있어. All right, moment of truth. Let's go. This is good as it is, but to be honest, it tastes so much better when you're eating with your Korean barbecue. So now that I have two of my side dishes ready, let's make the Korean barbecue. All right, high heat, splash of oil. Today we're making some chuck flat tail steak. All right, let's go. Ooh. How do you want your gogi?
Least cooked as possible.
Least cooked as possible. What a way to say it. Rare? Medium rare?
Medium rare. Medium
Sick.
rare.
So I'm telling you, man, you throw your gogi right onto your Pa-Jeolli like this. Also gonna make a quick dipping sauce while we're at it. Sorry guys, this episode is just me just being hungry. Some sesame oil. I'm gonna add some salt and some black pepper. That's it. Give that a nice little mix. You eat your Korean barbecue like this, you eat it like this one time, there's no ever going back. So this episode, I kind of made it because I was just super hungry. Whew. So if I'm being honest with you guys, I was making this kimchi jjigae recipe for you guys today. And I was like, yo, let's just make another episode of side dishes for Korean barbecue. So now here, we have a whole feast, kimchi jjigae, pork belly, beef, 2 side dishes, you know? Yeah, when I have pork belly, I want kimchi jjigae, and I need my side dishes, you know?
This and this. 맛있겠대.
How's the kimchi jjigae?
Fuego.
Yeah, basically, guys, we clear almost everything. The scallions are done. Kimchi jjigae is almost done. Whew. Jalapeno pepper's almost done. If you were to cook at home, you could do that, right?
Of course, yeah.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. 여보세요. 안녕.